As a driver, you are responsible for ensuring that your vehicle is in proper condition before hitting the road. One of the most critical systems you should be checking on a daily basis is your ABS warning system. The ABS warning system allows you to prevent accidents by alerting you to any issues with your truck's ABS system. This video is going to give you an overview of the ABS warning system and explain its importance and guide you on how to check it in your truck's cab and trailer. So the overview of the ABS warning system goes like this. The ABS warning system is a safety feature that alerts you to the problem with your truck's brakes. It works by monitoring the wheel speed sensors and then sending signals to the truck's onboard computer. If the system detects a malfunction, it will eliminate the ABS warning light on your dashboard and activates some warning chimes to alert you. It is important to check the ABS warning system daily and as you drive. Checking the warning system is crucial because it helps prevent accidents. Malfunctioning brakes can cause truck drivers to lose control of their vehicles, leading to collisions that can result in severe injuries or fatalities. A faulty ABS warning system can also lead to costly fines and vehicle downtime. Therefore, it's essential, just essential, to check the ABS warning system regularly. Checking the ABS warning system in the cab is easy. Follow these steps. It's a three-step process. First of all, you've got to identify the ABS warning light. Locate the ABS warning light on your dashboard. It's usually yellow and has the letters ABS written on it. Step 2, turn on the ignition and check if the ABS warning light illuminates. If it does not light up, it indicates that the bulb might be faulty and you need to replace it. If the light stays on after starting the engine, it indicates a malfunction in the ABS system. So the light on your dashboard should come on and then turn off. And the third step is to listen for the warning. The warning chimes should come on after starting the engine. If you hear the series of beeps, it means the ABS system is functioning correctly. If you do not hear any chimes or beeps, or you hear a continuous beep, it indicates that there is a problem with the ABS system. All right, let's move on to the trailer. Checking the ABS warning system on the trailer is also crucial. Here are those steps. First of all, you inspect the ABS plug connector. Locate the ABS plug connector on the trailer and inspect it for any signs of damage. Ensure the pins are clean and corrosion free. The second step is to check the ABS warning light on the dashboard. When you turn the ignition on, again, you check the ABS warning light, illuminates, and if it does, that it indicates the system is functioning correctly. If it does not light up, it indicates that there's a problem with the ABS system, or if it lights up and stays lit, it also indicates a problem with the system. So this is when you've hooked to the trailer, connected the electrical line, and you start your engine. And then again, step 3 is to listen for any warning chimes. The last thing I'd like to mention about ABS is when you hook your electrical line up to the trailer, you should look down the side of that trailer, and the ABS light near the very rear of the trailer should flash on and off, indicating that the ABS light on the trailer is working correctly. If it either does not come on, or if it stays illuminated or stays on, then there is a trailer light fault and it needs to be repaired. So in conclusion, the ABS warning system is critical. It's a critical safety feature that helps prevent accidents while on the road. As a truck driver, it's your responsibility to ensure that the system is functioning correctly. Use this guide to check the ABS warning system in your truck's cab and trailer regularly. By doing so, you can prevent accidents, avoid costly fines, and ensure safety of yourself and others while on the road. And don't forget, May the 16th of 2023 starts a 3-day blitz of CVSA on-road inspections, and those inspections are targeting load securement and the ABS system. So prepare yourself, check your ABS regularly.